Hi all, welcome to our math session. Children, which lesson we are dealing? Yes, we are dealing with the lesson decimals. How you identify a decimal number? Yes, by seeing the decimal point, we can identify the decimal number easily. And we studied the place value of the decimal numbers, place value chart. Okay. Children, do you remember the expanded form? Children, can you see the expanded form of 5396? Do you remember? Yes, 5000 plus 300 plus 90 plus 6. Then can you write the expanded form of 15.365? Okay, we will try. Our number is 15.365. We have to find the expanded form. We know that 5396, the expanded form is 5000 plus 300 plus 90 plus 6. This is in the case of the whole number. Then coming to the decimal number, how you expand the number? How you will expand the number? We know that in 15.365, this is the whole number. Whole number. So no need of expanding this. We have to expand this place. How will you expand? For this, you have to understand the place value chart. How the place value comes? Whole number, that is ones, tens, hundreds. Then comes the point, then comes the 10th place, then 100th place, and then 1000th place. 10th place means 1 by 10, 1 digit. 100th place means 1 by 100, 2 digit. 1000th place means 1 by 1000, 3 digit. So after point, this place comes here, 6 comes here, and 5 comes here, 50 here. So how will you write this? 50 for point, we write plus 15 plus, then 3 by 10 plus next digit 6, 6 by 100 plus then 5, 5 in the 1000th place, 5 by 1000. This is the expanded form of this number. Then look at the next number, 672.079. Look at the number. This is the whole number and this is the decimal number. You have to expand these numbers. How will you expand this whole number? 600 plus 70 plus 2. That you already know. So never need of writing, expanding this number. You can write this number as the whole. 672. For point, instead of point, we will put the symbol plus, because we are adding this number, this decimal numbers to this whole number. Then identify these places, this in the 10th place, this in the 100th place, and this in the 1000th place. This in the 10th place, 100th place, and 9 in the 1000th place. How this comes instead of 0? This 0 in the 10th place means 1 by 10, 0 by 10. 0 by 10 means it is 0. So we put 0 here. Then plus. If you are still confused, if you have still confusion, then you can write the place value here. Ones, tens, hundreds. Point, tenth, hundredth, thousandth. 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. Put the point here. Here 276, 672.0. 0 by 100, 0 by 10, that means 0. 7 by 100 and 9 by 1000. Then how this becomes? We already put 0 here. We already write this number 0. Then 7 by, it is in the 100th place, so it becomes 7 by 100. Then plus, this is in the 1000th place, so we can write 9 as 9 by 1000. 9 by 1000. That is, this is the answer. If you have any confusion, then you write this in the working column and find out the number. Okay. It will be more easy method to find out the expanded form. Then look at another number, 0.909. Here there is no whole number part. Then how you will find out the answer? First of all, you can write the place value chart here. Ones, tens, hundreds. Then put the point. Decimal number starts from point. Starts with the point. Then 10th place, 100th place and 1000th place. Here the whole number part is missing. So we put the point here. Instead of whole number, we put 0 here. Then 9 in the 10th place, we write 9. 0 in the 100th place, we put 0 here. Then 9 in the 1000th place, we put 9 here. Then how the answer will become? How you write the expanded form? Instead of whole number, there is 0. So, never need of writing this 0. We have to avoid this part. Then how the answer will become? Equal to 9 in the 10th place. That means 9 by 10. 9 by 10 plus 0 in the 100th place. 0 by 100 is 0. So we put 0 here. Then plus 9, again 9. 9 comes in the 1000th place. Then what will you write? 9 by 1000. So this is the expanded form of 0.909. I think now you will be able to find out the expanded form of any decimal number. I think you understood the expanded form and now you can easily find the expanded form of the decimal numbers. Only keep in mind the place value of the numbers. After the decimal places, first comes the 10th place, then 100th place and then the 1000th place. Now you clear the expanded form of the decimal numbers. Now, even if you are giving the expanded numbers, how you convert this to the decimal numbers? Now, it's very easy to you. We can do some questions. It's the opposite of the expanded form. Look here, write into decimals. Here expanded form of the number is given. We have to convert this into, yes, the decimal form. How will you convert? For this we have to know the place value chart, 10, 100, point, 10th place, 100th place and 1000th place. These are similar to the old number, only the missing part is ones. Here only the ones place is given, so we put 7 here, point, instead of plus we put the point here. Then look here, 1 by 100 is given, 10th place is missing here, so we have to put or write this in the 100th place, 1 in the 100th place. Then 5 in the 1000th place. Look here, 10th place is missing, so we have to put here 0. So this is the number that is equal to 7.015. Please write the answer here. Then only you will get the mark. This is the way how you got the answer. Then second question, look at the second question. 900 plus 9 plus 2 by 10 plus 1 by 100 plus 7 by 1000. Look here. We know that this is the, whenever you see the fractional part, this is the decimal part. Remember, that is the decimal part. This is the decimal part of the number. And this is the whole number part. And first of all, we can write the place value ones, tens, 100. Here we can write the decimal place, then 10th, then comes the 10th place, 100th place and the 1000th place. Here 9. So we put 9 here, here 900. 10th place is missing, so we put here 0. Don't read this as 9000. This is 900, 0, 9. Then put the decimal point here, 2 by 10 instead of 2. This is in the 10th place, so the number comes here is 2. Then 100th place 1. 1000th place it is 7. So what will be the number? 900 plus 9. 900 plus 9. 909. 0.217. This is the answer. So we can write the answer here. 900 plus 9, 909. Those who can add this whole number directly you can write the number as 909.2 tenth 100 7,000th. This is the decimal number. Then look at one more question. 100 plus 8 plus 3 by 10 plus 9 by 100 plus 5 by 1000. How will you find the number? Yes, if it is confusing, please write the place value chart here. Ones, tens, hundreds, point, tenth, hundredth and thousandth. 100 place 100. Then ones place 8. Tens place it is 0. So you can add it easily as 100 plus 8, 108. Can you see? We write the place value of these numbers 10th, 100th, 1000th. This is all number. This in the 100 place, 0 in the 10th place, 10th place. Sorry, not 10th, it is tens, hundreds, tens, ones. This is 10th, 100th, 1000th. So we put our, this is the fractional part. So the decimal places begins from the fraction. So we put point here. Then 3 by 10 means 3. 9 by 100, 9. 5 by 1000, instead of in the 1000th place, 5 comes in the 1000th place. So this is the answer. 100 plus 8, 108.395. That is equal to 108.39 in the 100th place, 5 in the 1000th place. This is the answer. So children, today we studied the expanded form of the decimals, and when the expanded forms are given, how to find out the decimal numbers. I hope all of you understood the portion. Study well and do the exercise.